Guys, guess what? I'm meeting Chaya ma'am and Sanko sir.
Yes, so now they came here to finalize the places for shoot. So we're sitting in our podcast room right now.
So exciting.
So we're really excited for the shoot and never expected that we have just started our content creation journey and so fast. Tyrone Speaks team is going to do our shoot. That's like a huge thing.
And literally, Chaya ma'am is working with Tarun Speaks.
Yes, and it's so nice that NIT is giving us this great exposure. Really excited for whatever is going to come ahead.
Hi sir. So I wanted to ask, like, as a beginner, what are the mistakes I should avoid?
On YouTube, as a beginner, I would say niching down to early. One thing you're doing good is you're trying to protect your video. Because YouTube, as in itself, unlike other social media platforms, is very long. Right? So it's very normal that for the first 1.5 years, you will not make any money. That you wouldn't get any ROI on that. So unless you like the videos that you're making, you wouldn't be able to continue. There is no ROI for the first year or 6. So it's really important that you find something that you actually enjoy talking about, that you actually enjoy making videos about. So finding that intersection of the things that you like to talk about and what people like to watch. Initially, so what you're doing good is that you're exploring on this. Another thing is, it's very quite obvious perfection. Caring too much about quality. What most people don't understand is that even if you're a beginner, there's only so much quality asked to right? Because you don't have the skills to make great quality. So as a beginner, your only target should be iterations, making as much video as possible. I think that's something I did wrong. I was only too much quality as many videos as I could. I still got it.
So should I care about views and subscriptions?
Definitely. I feel like if you're playing the game of social media, you should care about the number. One thing I have learned over the years quietly is don't consider the content that you create as an extension of yourself.
Last question, how do I manage it? Do you manage?
I think there's no secret to it. Make a plan. I started with a free software. And I sit on a cracked software of my laptop. Now I use a video software. That's like 6 years of journey. So initially it should not matter. Good.
And what inspired you to start content creation?
So like if you see my first video that I posted, it's about me celebrating my birthday and all. I think I was really lonely. I just stumbled upon a corner in the internet and I opened a page with like 0 followers. Like nobody knew that I started my page. I didn't tell anyone. I just started it and I posted a video. I didn't expect anything out of it, and then just people started following me, commenting, DMing, and I felt a little less lonely. And it was fun. And I also met a few amazing creators through it, and I made friends.
Oh, you met through your videos.
Yeah,
From your videos.
I mean, people keep DMing for collab stuff. So yeah.
Say something to audience. Whoever watching. Thanks.
And follow, subscribe.
Ma'am, you don't even know my channel name.
What is the channel?
Niharika BL.
Niharika BL. Subscribe to Niharika.
Yes, ma'am.
Let's go, guys.
So when are we gonna make Tarun Speaks? Any idea, ma'am?
Oh, no idea.
No? Okay. Thank you, ma'am. It was nice meeting you.
I'm great meeting you.
So, yes.
Hi.
Hi.
So you edit for Tarun Speaks, right?
Yeah.
Can you just tell something to the audience?
So yeah, I did for Tarun Bhaiya, and I really love to do it.
Thank you.
Hi guys, come. How was your experience with Sanko sir and Chaya?
Fabulous. It was very good, to be honest. We learned a lot of things. That's what really matters, actually. Learning matters a lot.
We did ask so many questions.
We asked a lot of questions. The number one rule we followed, like, keep asking questions. We got a lot of answers. We got a lot of, teachings. A lot of advices.
It's very important to ask the questions. If you meet someone who is one of your inspiration, they're from the Tarun Speaks team. They're
Tarun.
from Artco.
Tarun Speaks.
It's Artco.
If Tarun Speaks is watching this video,
Hello Tarun Speaks. We really wish
Tarun
you were in our
Nayak.
campus.
Yeah.
we really wanted you to come.
మేము మీకోసం వెయిట్ చేస్తున్నాం.
Yes.
Tarun Speaks.
Tell
It's from Telugu.
మీకోసం వెయిట్ చేస్తున్నాం.
మేము
Nanu wait.
Okay, again. Content creators over here, people.
Guys, how did you feel about today's experience?
Fantastic.
It was very good.
Yeah.
It was really great, and we also got a lot of things from all three of them right now.
The amount of advisors and the amount of things we got to know is on another level.
And the
And,
experience.
Yeah,
was
the experience they have, they conveyed those
Exactly.
experiences to us. Like, damn, like they worked their
Other
ass
level.
off.
Yeah, and I guess we annoyed them too much by asking so many questions.
Yeah,
but
yeah, a
they
lot
were
of
very
questions.
patient with us.
If you guys seen this, we are very sorry.
Sorry, yes.
They had to bear a lot of questions.
Yeah,
They
thank
had to
you for
answer a
bearing
lot.
us. And too many retakes.
Too many. Ashita, especially Ashita. And, they didn't take one retake of me. I did so well.
So yeah, we are getting close to Tarun Speaks.
Hopefully he's gonna come one day to our campus, manifesting for that one day.
If Tarun Speaks is watching, please come. We are waiting.
But yeah, please do watch this video if it pops up in your feed.
Yeah.
I mean, this team was really great.
So fun actually.
I mean, we have only seen a front-end part that Tarun Speaks comes on YouTube video, but the back-end, all these three people working under my
Raja is so underrated.
Exactly,
Like,
man. Like, it
damn.
takes 4 days to edit one video of Tarun. Great. The 10 minutes or 11 minutes long video what we watch takes 4
He's so
days.
great at it. Raja.
God,
Like,
yeah.
so appreciated it. Damn.
How to manage multiple things like Sanko. He does many things like he's a co-founder. He does a YouTube thing.
Yeah.
And he do multiple stuff like Sanko. Damn bro, crazy.
What I learned was, you see, Sanko, what
Even
he does
Chaya.
is, Sanko, like, listen, what Sanko does is, I asked him, like, quarterly, he'll fix a priority. Fix one important task. He will work his ass off, basically. Last quarter, it was this Instagram. He took Instagram for 30 days, seriously, very seriously. He grew. Yeah, we have to prioritize our tasks. That's the main thing. Consistency also matters, yeah. And when I asked him, like, how do you show up to everything when you are low? You know, when you are at your low. He said he divided his emotion and work. He doesn't care about his emotion at all.
That's a really great
Yeah.
advice.
Work means work, emotion means emotion, family means family. Like that. Damn. Workaholics.
Chaya and Raja are the most underrated people. Like, they are really great at what they are
To be
doing.
honest, yeah.
Actually. Chalo. 4.5 minutes. Bye bye.
Hi guys.
Ask them. Bye.
Back up. Yeah, back up.
MIT.
The main guy, technical guy.
Give your introduction. Introvert.